been a wet and windy week with an elevated avalanche danger since last Saturday. Although the weather forecasts have looked promising, temperatures have been warmer than expected, resulting in rain and wet snow up to high elevations. Here's some SNOTEL data from just north of Truckee. This top profile shows the temperatures that were near or above freezing most of the week, even overnight. And then we had a cold dip on Wednesday, but we didn't get any precip on Wednesday. The precip started yesterday, and you see that the temperatures were actually rising during that event. Then I'll scroll down to the snow water equivalent profile here. We started the week at 19 inches and ended at 29, so that's 10 inches of water. And normally that would equate to about 100 inches of snow, which would have been very impressive. But if I go down here to the snow depth, you see that it started at 50 inches and ended near 100, so we only got 50 inches of snow. And while that's great for the snowpack, that means it's twice the density that we would normally be getting. All of this was enough to cause avalanche concerns within the new snow, but in several places that new high-density snow fell on top of old weak snow. This is especially true on cold slopes sheltered from the wind. Here's one of the better photos we got from this week. You see a fairly fresh, angular-looking crown there, crown and a flank there, crown and a flank right down here at the bottom. And also note here all the rain runnels on the surface due to warm temperatures. Here's another photo showing a widely propagating crown, and this slope is likely a place where facets would have been on the surface prior to the new snow that we received this week. Although we are expecting some new snow today, our attention is probably going to be shifting to these older weak grains in the top third of the snowpack. Snowpack tests are still showing these to be problematic, and unfortunately in some locations there's weak snow near the ground, and we did receive some bullseye evidence that those are coming out of dormancy with all the fresh loading they've received. With mild and sunny weather for the weekend, a lot of us are ready to spend some pent-up energy. The problem is we're dealing with a snowpack that might not give much feedback unless we intentionally go looking for it by digging a snow pit, or the much worse option of feedback in the form of an avalanche. So keep your safety margins wide this weekend. An unusual season gives us an unusual snowpack that probably won't play by the usual rules for our region.